I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. We do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural and we are inclusive. Usually, I don't formulate the video the way that I am formulating it. So basically, I got a new steamer. You can hear it steaming. And I want to try using it on a non-heat safe synthetic wig, so you're going to see me using the steamer and having a review of the steamer in a separate video, but it's on the wig that I'm reviewing, so I wanted to let you know that this is kind of like a two-part video if you want to see how the steamer worked. I'm making this way more complicated than it is. Anyway, so today we are going to review and try the steamer on Tress Allure Ashlyn, and I have Ashlyn in the color Deep Forest, and I got her from wigs.com for $149.99 and 30% off. Let's get Ashlyn. Ashlyn came in this box and this cute little Tress Allure. Ashlyn is a full cap wig. So this is Miss Ashlyn, okay, and she's a full cap wig. No combs in the front, no comb in the back. There is a bit of like a permatease situation going on, so I want to see how the steamer works on her. So again, I will come back and just talk to you about Ashlyn, and the clips of me getting her together with the steamer will be in a separate steamer review video. I did get the steamer from Amazon. It was definitely under $30, so all of that will be included in that other video, but just so you know. Okay, so let me get her on and play around with her. And okay, so there is a bendable bangs at the top, so that really would hug your head. That is so awesome. Distracted. All the clips of me getting her together will be included actually in the steamer review. So anyway, blah blah blah, that was so much. Oh, the wig that I'm wearing right now is Renee Paris's Adeline, so you should see the review up on her soon. If not, let me know and I'll put that up. And I also wanted to start including this. What I am wearing on my eyes right now is Joseph Colors, their Desi x Katie Friendication palette. The mattes from Dose of Colors are insanely gorgeous. I'm using this color, this color, this color, and this color right now on my eyes. And then I'm using my Juvia's Place matte nude lipstick in Lady, I'm pretty positive. And also these Lily lashes for Sephora in the style Miami. Okay, so let me just go off here, get my stuff together, and then I'll be back. I'm back after trying the steamer. I do feel like it did take down some bulk, so I'm very happy with that. Overall, Ashlyn is comfortable. I really do like this color. It's definitely like a number 4 with a slight bit of like number 6-ish, 10-ish highlights. It does have this like bendable tab here at the bangs, so you could really bang it out, but it would be flexible for whatever shaped head you have, which is nice. It could really shape to your head. The density is realistic. This is all the hair to the front. I'd say she's in that 22-inch range, but it's not a ton of hair. Yeah, see, that's so pretty. There is a little bit of bulk at the top that, like I said, did come down with the steamer. Some people do like that lift, and that's totally fine. I'm not crazy about it, but I do like what the steamer did to it. I'm going to keep using the steamer. There is a review video on it, and I will do an update video as well. But overall, I'm liking it. Like I said, this is all the hair to the front, so it's not a huge density. Let's look at her from the back. Wig cap, I'd say, is medium, but could go large. There's some room to play with. She's kind of textured, even though she's a thinner density. Movement is good. Definitely cute, would be cute up to play around with some things. I did get some of those like accessories, so let me grab some and we'll play with 1 or 2 of those for this too. This is the Hairdo Thick Braid headband, and see, it's like a really thick braid. It's kind of a lighter color though. Oh no, I think it looks nice. Looks nice. Looks nice. I'm really into these like braided headbands. I think they just make stuff look so cute, and it's like so easy. Where's my comb? My favorite comb. People, I lost my, oh, I thought I lost my comb. This wig reminds me a lot of my Rock Me wig from the Statements collection that you can get at the wig company, except for that wig does have a little bit of a lace front situation to it. This braid, it doesn't have a lot of, like, I have it tightened up is like almost as tight as it can go. So this braid is definitely a larger braid. Like, you can make it tighter, but if you are someone that looks for like larger caps and then plus you're putting it over top of the wig, this braid might be a nice choice for you because it's pretty loose on me. Ooh, that is super cute. I like that. What do you think? So yeah, that's just quickly with a braided headband, and you know, takes like a few minutes. So far so good with this wig. I do like this. I would almost like to get it in a lighter color. There's another wig by, I think it's by Jean Renault. It's, if I don't remember, I'll try to put it on there. It's very similar to this wig, except for it has a monofilament top, and I wonder if that would just take this to the next level. But I am really enjoying this one. I definitely think it's a realistic density and look to it. So yeah, that's what I have for you. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, put it down below. If there's another Tress Allure wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have subscribed, if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.